If you're looking for a beginner-friendly work-from-home job, one that only wants just a tiny bit of related work experience, I have a couple opportunities for you. I'm also going to give you the highlights of a data entry position I shared on my other channel, CAT Scans Remote Jobs, so if you missed it over there, you can find it here. Now, this particular job is only hiring in a few states, but one of those states is California. Really good news for all of you in California looking for an easy work-from-home job. So let's get into these beginner-friendly work-from-home jobs. The first one I'm sharing comes to us from Molina Healthcare, no stranger to this channel. Right now they have an opening for a claims adjuster. It's full-time remote and it looks like they're hiring in so many different locations across the United States. So take a look at your screen, see if your state, your city is indicated. If so, definitely go for this job if you like it. So what you do in this position is provide support for claims adjustment activities, including administering claims payments, maintaining claim records, and provide counsel to claimants regarding coverage amount and benefit interpretation. You also monitor and control backlog and workflow of claims and ensure that claims are settled in a timely fashion and in accordance with cost control standards. So this is a really good entry-level stepping stone position if you want to start a career in claims processing. So you'll research claims tracers, adjustments, and resubmissions, assist with defect reduction by identifying and communicating claims error issues and potential solutions to leadership, adjudicate or re-adjudicate claims while meeting claims department quality and production standards, and supporting claims department initiatives to improve overall claims function efficiency. So for this job, they'd like you to have at least 1 year experience in a clerical role in claims and or customer service setting, preferably in a managed care or equivalent combination of relevant education and experience. You need data entry and research skills. You're organized, you have attention to detail, you can manage your time well, you have customer service experience, effective communication skills, and you're comfortable using Microsoft Office Suite and applicable software programs. They prefer, but they don't require, they prefer you have healthcare claims or billing experience. And on this job description, they tell us they'll pay you $21.16 up to $31.71 per hour. So the next beginner-friendly work-from-home job I have is with the company Luna Physical Therapy. This job is for a medical billing associate patient services. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions anywhere on this job description. And this is a customer support kind of position where you'll support patients with payments, insurance questions, and account management. You'll answer inbound patient phone calls as they come in, manage copay collections, and communicate with other departments for any needs or patient reach out. On a daily basis, you'll create partner cases, and on a weekly basis, you'll post late cancels. You'll review patient electronic communications, create and maintain billing ledgers for patients with specific requests for their insurances, assist other teammates in larger projects as needed, and learn and understand the basics of insurance billing to support the team and other teams as necessary. And they tell us this kind of role typically requires at least 1 year related experience. You have strong attention to detail and time management skills, and you also have a positive attitude and an eagerness to learn. And they tell us on this job description they'll pay you $16 to $21 per hour. So I have a work-from-home data entry job I want to quickly go over. I already shared this job on my other channel, CAT Scans Remote Jobs, but in case you missed it there, you can find it here. So in this data entry position, they're hiring remotely if you live in the states of California, Colorado, Nevada, Arizona, or Utah. It comes to us from the company Brown & Brown, a huge insurance company. They have an opening for an operations support coordinator. It is full-time, it is remote, and what you do in this position is accurately and efficiently enter large volumes of data into the company's case management system. You'll also initiate payment investigations, submit letters of authorization to Medicare, process mail, and handle both verbal and written communications. And for this position, they want you to have a high school diploma or equivalent, and you have basic working knowledge of Outlook, Word, Excel, and PDF software. They prefer you have a college degree and or college courses. They also prefer you have 1 to 3 years experience in workers' compensation. And those two things are just preferred qualifications. They're not required. And we can see on this job description, they tell us they'll pay you $18 to $20 per hour. So there you go. We just went over some work-from-home jobs that don't require much related work experience, and one of these jobs is a data entry heavy position. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you're looking for more work-from-home opportunities, check out this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.